Hi guys! Today we are going to look at real object graphs. But first, let's quickly recap how we look at data and how we make graphs. So remember, first we need to pose the question. So what information are we trying to find out? Then we will collect data, or we will ask people what their favorite is or something that they like or dislike, and see how many of each kind. Then after that, we want to make our graph, and so today we're making bar graphs, so I'm going to teach you how to make a bar graph. Then after that, you are going to analyze the data, which means we're going to look at it, we're going to ask some questions, and figure out some information based on the data we've collected. Those questions could be like the favorite or least favorite, or how many more than or less than. Okay, now that we've reviewed, let's move back on to real object graphs. So first, what I'm going to do is make a title. We always put a title on our graph, that way people know what our graph is about. Then I'm going to make a large rectangle, and this will be our graph. I'm going to make 3 different lines for my columns, and today I'm going to choose colored cubes, and that is going to be my object. So what we're going to do today is I have colored cubes, and what we're going to do is see how many red, blue, and yellow I have. Well, I think I said red, blue, and yellow. I meant red, yellow, blue. Same difference. So that's my type of object. Then on the other side, I'm going to start making numbers going up. That way it's easier to keep track of how many cubes of each color there are. And please forgive me, but I made a boo-boo. I should have colored in my cubes, but instead I put them on like this, so they don't line up perfectly. But I want you to see that there's 7 red cubes, 4 yellow cubes, and 11 blue cubes that I couldn't line up. So the most that we had were blue. The least were yellow. And then the last question is how many more red than yellow? So to solve this, you would have to do a subtraction problem. You would do 7 minus 4, and that should be 3. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on real object graphs. We will be learning about more graphs throughout the rest of this week, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!